This is Zahra from Sajjad Zahra Makeup by Zahra, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a dual purpose video. It's the review about this brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. It is an everyday to night palette with 14 shades from warm neutrals to glam shimmers. I would be doing 2 makeup looks from this palette. On one eye, I would be doing everyday day eye makeup look, and on the other eye, I would be doing a makeup look that you can carry from evening to night parties. So let's get started. So just look at the soft velvety texture of this palette. This palette is sent to me by The Vault, which is located at the Emerald Mall, and The Vault is their website. Their link will be mentioned in the description down below. So let's check out the palette. And when you open this, oh god, look at the beautiful shades, the neutrals, the glam shimmer. It's a complete package. So let's get started with my eye makeup. Also, it includes this dual-sided Anastasia Beverly Hills eye makeup brush. One side is the poofy blending side and the other side is the applicator side. So we'll start with the makeup now. Now starting with the left hand side, where I'm going to make the day eye makeup look. So let's start. Taking orange soda with the poofy blending side of this brush. Now after I'm done with my eyelid with the color orange soda, now I would be taking the color Dusty Rose for my crease. I'm amazed by the color and the pigment that this palette carries. Now taking tempera to create a base for my brow bone. Usually, if you like a very light day eye makeup look, so only tempera is also sufficient enough for a dull and a matte highlight to the brow bone. But if you like a more shimmery highlight to your brow bone, so then for that I would be taking glistening to top over it. One thing I must say, that all the colors that I've taken up till now are very high in pigment. Now for the lower lash line, I would be taking the color Cypress Umber, which is a medium toned brown, on the very tip of this bullet smudger brush. Now after I'm done with the lower lash line, I would be going in with the liner. The NYX gel eyeliner I would be using. whatever is left on the brush, I would be blending it in the lower lash line just to slightly increase the intensity. Now for my waterline, I would be using my favorite NYX Jumbo Crayon pencil, white pencil, inside my waterline. Now with this bullet smudger brush, I would be smudging in the liner. Now for the corner of my eye, with the same bullet smudger brush, after cleaning it, I would be taking glistening and working it all the way in my corner to give a more bright and wide eye-opening look. Now after I am done with the eyeshadow, I will be taking Benefit's Roller Lash Mascara for the lashes. As I won't be using any false lashes on this side because this is the day eye makeup look, so I would be taking a good 2 to 3 coats of my mascara to give a more eye-opening and eye-widening look. Ta-da! So now we're done with the left side, and now I'm going to start with the right side, which is an evening to night eye makeup. So now for the right side, I would start with my crease, and for that I would be taking the colors from this palette Cypress Umber and mixing it with Mulberry. Covering the inner and the outer corners of my eyelid with this same crease color that I created with these two shades, Mulberry and Cypress Umber. I've left the mid part of my lid to put a Glam shimmery color. So now with the applicator side of the brush, I would be taking the color Rose Pink and putting on the middle part of my lid. Now for the lower part of the lash line, I would be taking the color Rustic to start with. joining it with the upper corner. Blending the lower corner with the upper corner, unlike the other eye. Now after I am done with the lower lash line, I would be taking the color Sienna and would be mixing it in my crease. Make sure to take a very light amount of these shades wherever you are applying, as per their really high pigmentation of colors, which is a very plus point for this palette. Now after this, I will be taking the color Tempera to create a base for my brow bone. And taking the color Fairy to top it for a shimmery appearance. Now for the inner corner of my eye, I will be taking the color Tempera on the very tip of this bullet smudger brush by Glam. Working it all the way in. And now we'll be taking the color Fairy on the very tip and topping it up. Now for the eyeliner, I will be taking the NYX Gel Smudge Liner again and would be creating a dramatic ring liner for this side. Now I would be taking some more liner for the lower lash line as well, and creating a very fine line so that I do not blend in completely with the color Rustic that I used on the lower lash line. Now for this side of the look, I have used falsies, and as you can see, the makeup look is almost complete. The liner that I did put on the lower lash line, I would be smudging it a little with this Bobbi Brown smudging brush. Mixing it with the previous color. Rustic that I used for the lower lash line on this side. Now for this side of the eye, inside the waterline, I would be using kohl, none other than my favorite Hashmi Kajal. Works wonders as a kohl. Now the lip color that I would be using for these two eye looks will be a color which complements both of them, is DMGM's Photo Fix Prom Pink number 334. So now that you can see, I have completed both the eye makeup looks. This side is the day eye makeup look and this side is the evening to night eye makeup look with falsies added. So now, before this palette came, I did see a lot of reviews myself, and it said that it is a day to night palette. So now that I have created these two looks myself, I fully agree upon this point that this palette is a very quick fix for everyday day makeup to night makeup look. And if you're looking for any quick fixes like that, so the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette is your answer. So once again, I would mention this palette is in courtesy with the Wall store, which is at Emerald Tower Mall, opposite Do Talwar. 100% original palette, and all their products that are available in their store are 100% original. So no compromise on the quality, on the originality. I personally order all my products from them, and this palette is really a wow. So with the completion of this look, this is my signing off from this video. So do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell button for the latest updates. Till then, sayonara, ciao ciao.